Hello, everyone, and welcome to Peapod Creations. My name is Sean, and for today, I wanted to do a quick video of how you can edit when you have generated a image that has words. This image right now is going to be for a baby shower for t-shirts. So I do have a t-shirt order, and I'm just going to show you how I am going to change and add in the name of the baby. I will not use the name of the baby for that's for the t-shirts, but I'm going to just show you how you can just make changes to it. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate, and I'm going to go to text, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in a name. So we're going to do Olivia. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of get everything together. So I wanted to look at the fonts. I kind of like this one. Um, let's do. Let's try this one. So this one is the seasons, and I am going to make an outline. Before I do that, I'm going to change the color because I want it to be red. Maybe. Okay, and then for the outline, we'll do white. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is you will need to have Canva Pro in order to do this one. Um, and what you're going to do is you're going to select the image, go to edit, and for me, I would say it would be Magic Grab. And you're going to want to select the brush. And all you're going to want to do is, because we're going to put the baby's name in the banner. And so we're just going to just have it get all of the baby. And then we're going to select grab. And it has taken out the baby part. I want to make sure. Yeah, it still looks the same. Okay. And so now we're going to take the name Olivia, shrink it to size. And what I'm going to do is go back to edit, and then we're going to curve it. We're going to go the opposite way. So I just want it to fit. And that's it. And this can go for any name. So say we did, instead of Olivia, we did Emma. So you see how it fits in there. And let's see, I am going to do another one just to show you again. So I duplicated it. I went to edit. And now I am going to go to Magic Grab. And I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to go down on the brush size. Um, and this time, instead of me just doing the whole thing, I'm going to just do it individual. So I'm just going over it. And then I'm going to select grab. And you see, baby's taken out. I forgot to get my text. Um, it doesn't really matter as far as for what text you do, because you can do the add subheading or add a heading. It doesn't really matter. So we went with Emma, changed it to Emma. We'll do we'll do Ebony. Okay, we're going to change it to Ebony, and then we're going to change the color. Let's try pink this time. Change it to pink. We're going to give it an outline. I just like this one, but I mean, you really can do either or. Like you can do echo and maybe give it like a white background. But the one thing that you are going to need to do is make sure, because you can have it just like this. Like that is fine. Um, I just kind of want it to look like it flows, I guess, in there. So that's why I like the curve. And that is really it. And you just delete this. I was actually thinking about putting this on Etsy as well. Um, I haven't decided yet for that part. But yeah, that was just a quick tutorial of how to do that. Also, um, like I said, I did generate this with AI. So my heart right here is cut off. Um, you can do the same thing with the words. You can go to edit, and then you can go to magic grab. Before you do that, duplicate duplicate the image. And then we go back to edit, do magic grab, and I'm just going to grab a heart. So we will go with this one. We're just going to grab it, click it, and grab. Delete the rest, and then there goes the heart. And then you just rotate it. I hit Control X, then I scroll up, and then I do Control V um, to line it up. And then I'm going to zoom in just a little. Oh, that was fast. Okay. So we're going to line it up like this. I'm going to go to positions. I'm going to select the image, and then I'm going to go to eraser. And all I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go down on my brush size, or I might can select it. Yeah, I can select it. And I'm just going to select erase. And it should take it off. So let me zoom out. So as you can see, it's gone. Then I'm going to go exit out. And the heart that I did put in there is in place of it. And there you go. That is just a quick tutorial of how you can do, if you have names, or not names, if you have words when you generate an image, you can always take it out. That's one way to do it. There is I think it's called text grab on Canva as well. You just want to be careful with that one because let me show you with the text grab. Go to see all. Grab text, I'm sorry. With the grab text, you see it's gonna get all of the text. Um, so if I just wanted to change like the on the way, it's gonna grab the whole thing. Um, the berry sweet. So like I can select these, can select them all, have it to grab it, and you see I don't like how it leaves everything, so you would have to like erase it. But if you let's go back and put it together. Go back to edit. So the a berry sweet would have to stay. That would have to stay, but you can still take out the sweet baby, and you can add in something different, like the day of the baby shower. So you can add in like the day of the baby shower. So let's see, we'll go here and we'll put in we'll do August. I have no idea. August the 21st. Don't know what day that is. 2016. I mean 2026. Oh wow. 2026 and just shrink it, rotate it where it fits. You can make it a little bit bigger and size it. And then you can change the font. We can keep it the same one. Um, I think I did the seasons. I did. And we can do something else. We can add something else to it, like can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see you. And I think it. Go ahead and change the font again. Yeah. And if you wanted to, you can do the same thing. Like oh, that's gonna be small. I don't like it. Let's zoom in. We can probably do it like this. Yeah. Okay. And we can change the color. We'll change it. We can change it to pink. I think I use this blue, this one, and then like with the effects, we can make it. Don't like the neon. I like the glitch. Mm, okay, we can do the bubble, and we'll give us our pink back, and then change the outline. We'll change it to white, to red. We can do red. And I kind of want to do the same thing for the date in bubble. And it was, we'll change that to pink and then have the words red. And then you can add something to like the strawberries, or this is just right now. I'm just seeing the stuff and trying to just see what all looks good. But this is a quick tutorial of just how to edit a AI generated image that has text and where you can um, change it and make it your own. But I am going to do a video of me making the t-shirts that will be coming shortly, or that will be coming soon. Um, but yes, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you have a great day, and still, like I always say, just be the best you that you can be. Don't let anybody bring you down, and keep moving forward. But yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.